All right, this is NaNoWriMo website. So NaNoWriMo stands for National Novel Writing Month. It's for adults as well, but this is specifically the Young Writers program. So I'm using this with my creative writing class. It's a monitored site specific for students so they can participate. So it's a writing challenge that happens in November. And the main goal of the whole NaNoWriMo is to write 50,000 words in a month, which is basically the equivalent of a short novel. For the young writers, they can do whatever their goal that they want. So you can see I made mine as an example. You can put your word count in here. It gives you a graph. You can earn goals or earn badges based on writing consecutive days, percentage of goal. So this is the dashboard. So I'm the administrator, so mine looks a little different. But for example, we'll go to my groups, Mrs. Fisher's creative writing class. Okay, so from here I can see, I can make an announcement. The students can have a chat, which they haven't really used, but it's monitored. And I can block anyone if anything becomes inappropriate or negative. I can block them over here. I can see their goal. I can see their word count here. Then it has this. My classroom has written 46,066 words, 26% of our goal. This is the code they use to join the class. Let's see, challenges, novels. So you create your novel, and you can do a little description. This is all theirs. Yeah, so it's very cool to see their creativity and just see them recording their progress. It kind of works for me to see how much they are working on it, how their word count is going up. It's a good kind of tool I can use to monitor. So I selected this because it is kind of specific to a writing or English language arts content, but it can be really just very cool and useful. And I think this is a brand new website or upgraded from this year. And they're also very supportive if you need help, if you need like lesson plans, workbooks. So it's well supported, which is good. My purpose would be to encourage them to write without self-editing. So that was my goal for this project. Just be able to get the first draft out and let yourself write without feeling like it has to be perfect. And then we can go back and work on editing later. So that would be my specific goal for the students with this project. And to be able to see their progress, see them working toward a specific goal. My intended audience for using this would be students, but this tutorial would be for teachers, educators, librarians, anyone who wants to support young writers. Yes, so here we have a countdown. They have pep talks from authors. Yeah, you can do dares. So your main character wakes up with a craving for cheesecake if you can't think of what to write. Word sprints, we do that sometimes in class. It's basically you're racing to see who can write the most words in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So that's pretty fun. Again, they like that competition. So yes.